Green tea has been popular for ages, but matcha is the new kid on the block. Originally an exotic drink used in Japanese tea ceremonies, matcha is now popping up in coffee shops and cafes worldwide. Despite its long history in Japan, where nearly all matcha is still produced, this vibrant green tea powder has only recently made a global splash. Since 2015, matcha consumption has surged in the US, UK, Mexico, and Spain. In 2015 alone, the US saw a 202% increase in matcha-flavored beverages, while the UK and Spain experienced 114 and 200% year-over-year growth respectively. Matcha is definitely one of the pricier teas out there. Its high quality and the intricate, time-consuming process needed to produce it contribute to its cost. However, the health benefits you get from matcha make it worth every penny. Unlike regular tea, matcha is a powder and isn't brewed. Instead, you mix the powder with a small amount of hot water and drink it quickly. You can also mix it with cold water for iced matcha, blend it into smoothies, or use it in various recipes. Many matcha enthusiasts say it gives a smoother buzz compared to coffee. This, along with its numerous health benefits, explains why matcha is becoming so popular. Before we explore the benefits, let's understand the reasons behind them. Matcha green tea is rich in antioxidants such as catechins and polyphenols. These compounds are the primary contributors to its health advantages, so we'll be referencing them frequently throughout the next section of the video. Number 1. It's good for brain health. Matcha is celebrated for its ability to support healthy aging, especially for brain health. A 2020 study in Japan looked into how matcha affects cognitive function in older adults. Over 2 weeks, 61 participants received a daily drink of either matcha or a placebo. Women who drank matcha saw improvements in Alzheimer's markers, overall cognitive function, and episodic memory. Men didn't show the same results in this study. Other research also suggests matcha can boost memory, focus, and cognitive function, with stronger effects seen in women. Scientists stress the need for more large-scale studies to confirm these brain health benefits definitively. 2. Reduces stress and anxiety. When we think about how our brains work, stress and anxiety often come into the picture. But here's where matcha steps in to help. A recent study published in 2023 in Current Research in Food Science looked into how matcha can actually lower stress and anxiety levels. Turns out, matcha is packed with L-theanine, an amino acid that's known to boost mood and chill out stress. Here's the cool part. If you swap your coffee or energy drinks for matcha, you might get the perks of caffeine without the jittery side effects. See, coffee can give you a sudden burst of energy, but it can also leave you crashing later. Matcha, on the other hand, has caffeine combined with L-theanine, which smooths out the highs and lows. This means you get a longer-lasting, milder boost of energy that keeps you feeling more balanced and alert throughout your day. So next time you're reaching for a pick-me-up, consider giving matcha a try. It could be just what your brain needs to stay cool and focused. By the way, if you're eager for more life-changing info like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Education, because your health matters. 3. Improves immune system. With all these benefits, you could say a matcha a day keeps the doctor away. Evidence suggests that matcha can really boost your immune system. For example, a study from 2020 showed that a compound in matcha called EGCG could change how certain proteins work, potentially stopping the flu virus from spreading. Plus, other stuff in green tea, like catechins, might also fight off viruses and keep you from getting sick. Matcha's anti-inflammatory benefits keep your immune system strong, and it even improves gut health, which is key for a robust immune response. 4. Strengthens gut health. And when it comes to gut health, matcha plays a crucial role that shouldn't be overlooked. Packed with catechins, matcha has some impressive benefits. Studies show that people who regularly drink green tea, which is rich in catechins, tend to burn more calories and fat throughout the day compared to those who don't. Plus, matcha is loaded with fiber, which is great for digestion. The fiber in matcha helps bulk up stool and move it smoothly through your intestines, helping to prevent constipation. On top of that, matcha is rich in polyphenols, natural compounds found in tea plants, which our gut bacteria break down into bioactive metabolites. These polyphenols not only support good gut bacteria, but also keep bad bacteria in check. Surprisingly, they have a similar effect on the mouth bacteria that cause plaque. And that leads us to another perk. 5. Better oral health. Matcha isn't just good for sipping, it's a secret weapon for your smile. Catechins found in matcha fight off bacteria that cause plaque and bad breath, acting like tiny scrubbers to keep your mouth clean and healthy. And here's the kicker. Matcha also freshens your breath. No joke. Catechins also act like natural sterilizers, slowing down the growth of germs that lead to gum disease and bad breath. It even helps protect your tooth enamel, which dentists totally rave about. So next time you finish a meal, consider reaching for a cup of matcha green tea to keep your smile bright and your mouth feeling fresh. Your dentist will thank you for it. 6. Hydrates the body. And your body will totally dig matcha, especially when it's cold brewed. It's great for staying hydrated. While matcha does have a bit of caffeine, the water in the drink more than makes up for it. Try having 2 or more 16-ounce cold brews a day to stay hydrated, alert, and satisfied. 7. Helps in weight loss. Matcha tea isn't just tasty, it's also a champ when it comes to helping with weight loss. Research shows that the combo of catechins and caffeine in matcha can help reduce BMI and body weight. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that guys who drank catechin-rich green tea lost almost twice as much weight as those who drank tea with fewer catechins. Plus, matcha can boost your calorie burning rate from around 8 to 10% to as much as 35 to 43% of your daily energy use. It even helps burn fat when you're exercising. So let's raise a cup to that, shall we? But before we move on to that, the question arises, what is the best way to make matcha? Different types of matcha vary in quality. While adding sugar, cream, or other processed ingredients won't reduce matcha's benefits, they can have negative effects on your health. Opting for matcha products without added sugars is preferable to consuming highly processed matcha desserts and drinks. And if you're looking to cut down on sugar and curious about its effects on your body, check out this video about the warning signs that show you're eating too much sugar.